welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be opening my Yume Twins box from August. I literally just got this like 2 days ago and it's the 4th of September now. So sorry, it came in September, so I guess it's going up in September. Sometimes I get them early and sometimes I get them super late. It just depends, I guess. Okay. So we got this as the little booklet in here. I always try to look at this super fast and it usually has nothing in it. Oh! I got little chopsticks! Oh my goodness! I'm so excited about this. I have like this weird new obsession with sushi since my fiance and I got back together, because he was like, oh, just try sushi, it's super good. And like, I used to love California rolls, but I developed a really bad allergy to avocados when I was 23. So the last 3 years of my life, avocados and I do not get along. So I stopped eating sushi completely because of that. And so he brought me like some shrimp tempura sushi and like spicy shrimp or crab meat, like little ones. And I like fell in love with sushi after that. So now I'm super stoked to have these, because then I can eat sushi here in my own house. Alrighty, so we got this super cute cup. Can you see that? It's adorable. This would be good. I don't know if this can handle tea. Hopefully it could. But it's plastic and it's super cute. I got, this is all Totoro. I got a Totoro lunchbox. So that's one side of it. And this is the other side of it. How cute. So you have two different lids to choose from, I guess. So that's what that's about. So that's cute. It says My Neighbor Totoro. Were these Totoro too? Yep. This is all Totoro. This is like a literal, like Totoro themed box, like literally. Because then I also got this, which has a little container and a towel. I'm not quite sure what this is. Maybe you fill it with water and then use this to clean yourself. I'm not sure, but that's cute. And then I got this thing. Another Totoro thing. Jeez Louise, I don't even know what this is. But it's huge. So I have all this My Neighbor Totoro stuff, but I have no idea what this thing is. It's like made out of a weird material, so I have no idea. It's like the size of China. Huh. What are you? Tell me what you are. If you know what this is, comment below and tell me what the heck I'm supposed to use this thing for. Because it's like huge. Is it like a floor mat made out of like weird fabric? I'm very concerned that I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with this. And I can't get it back in its packaging. And it's too big. Alright guys. Comment below. Tell me what this thing is, please. Is it like a mat? Is it like something I'm supposed to like hang up? It's kind of weird fabric to be hung up, I feel like. Is it like a cover? What do you do? Tell me your secrets. It was approved by Studio Ghibli. That's good. Okay, so we got this Totoro thing, a Totoro lunchbox, a Totoro cup. I think this is for cleaning. And chopsticks. Maybe you sit on this when you eat sushi. I can see that. This is all. See, they're trying to tell me I need to start traveling with sushi. Put your sushi in this. Have your chopsticks. Put your soy sauce in this. And get to business. That's what this is telling me right now. I don't have enough sushi in my life. And then that makes sense then, why this is all Totoro-y. That's cool. Oh, it's a Totoro picnic. Oh my gosh, you do. You lay that thing out and you sit on it. It's a like mat. So I can have a whole picnic. That is so cute with sushi. Or like rice balls. Or like the not cooked sushi. What is that stuff? Sashimi, I think. Pretty sure that's what that is. When it's like laid over the... Oh my gosh. I need to have a sushi picnic. That's what I've just learned. I'm gonna tell Lee we're going on a sushi picnic with Totoro. And he's gonna be like, what the hell are you talking about? But that's okay. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is gonna sound terrible, but now I gotta watch my neighbor Totoro. Shh, I know, terrible. Haven't seen it yet. I don't know why I haven't seen it yet. I need to watch a few things from Studio Ghibli. We're not gonna get into that because I have a lot to watch. But anyways, yeah. I don't know what else to say in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to. Leave a comment below and tell me if you like sushi, or if you didn't like sushi and now you like sushi, or you like used to love sushi and now you don't like sushi. Do you like raw sushi? I do not like raw sushi. Anyways, that's again off topic. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!